Everyone is using chia seeds for either weight loss or improving their health, but most of them are doing it wrong. And that's the reason they are not seeing results. Today I'm going to share with you a powerful ingredient that you must take along with chia seeds so you can triple the fat burning results and improve your health quickly. And no, it is not green tea or lemon. This one will really surprise you. So here's the truth. Chia seeds can really help with weight loss because they are loaded with fiber that expands in your stomach and makes you feel full. But if you are just mixing chia seeds with water and calling it a day, then you might be missing the magic and not getting the results that you expect. Because chia seeds will fill you up, but they do not do anything to burn fat or boost your metabolism. And that's the reason people do not see results. In my clinical practice, I was seeing the same issue. People were doing everything right with chia seeds, but they were still struggling with stubborn weight. And I started researching and looking deeper why this is happening. And then it clicked me that we have to add a separate ingredient to chia seeds that has the potential to boost metabolism and also burn this fat. After trying different ingredients, this one ingredient worked like magic for my people. It not only helps with digestion, but it improves insulin sensitivity. It also activates AMPK enzyme. This is the same enzyme which gets activated when you are doing fasting or taking medications like metformin or even berberine, which is the natural weight loss supplement. Yes, you guessed it right. This magic ingredient is apple cider vinegar. And when I combined this apple cider vinegar with chia seeds, it became a metabolic powerhouse. And we saw great results in our patients. But let me break it down why this combination is very unique and works really great. Now, as you know, the main mechanism by which chia seeds help your weight loss journey is by giving you excess fiber and keeping you full for a longer amount of time. Now, this is where apple cider vinegar is wonderful because it activates the AMPK pathway. This AMPK pathway is your fat burning switch. And by activating it, it actually boosts your metabolism and helps you to melt belly fat. The second benefit is that apple cider vinegar improves your insulin sensitivity and thereby your body stores less fat when you're consuming your meals. So thereby, when you combine both of these ingredients, they actually work like medications like Ozempic or Mounjaro because that is exactly the mechanism they work in your body. And I tried it in my patients. One of my clients called Sarah was using chia seeds for several months, but she was not seeing any weight loss. Then we added apple cider vinegar to her chia seeds. And within 2 weeks, her bloating was gone. Her sugar and sweet cravings went down and she dropped down 6 pounds without making any other changes in her lifestyle. So definitely this combination works. The next question is that how to use this combination and when is the best time to consume it. So to make this recipe, you need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds soaked overnight. Then you need 1 teaspoon of raw apple cider vinegar, if possible with the mother. And then for extra benefit, you can add a pinch of cinnamon powder into it. So basically how to prepare this recipe, you warm 1 cup of water. Make sure you do not boil the water, but just slightly warm it. And then you add your soaked chia seeds into it. Then you add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar into it. Little bit of pinch of cinnamon into it. You can always add a little bit of lemon or lime to it if you want. The best time to consume this recipe is early in the morning. The reason being your body is waking up and that's the time your body needs a metabolism boost so that it can improve your energy and activate this AMPK enzyme so that your body can get into the fat burning mode. So now you know the mistake most people make when they're using chia seeds and the reason why you might not be seeing any results with chia seeds. Try this combo for 2 weeks and you will see your bloating improving and yes, you will lose some pounds also. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.